Yeah, so my daughter was a passenger with my mother. They were rear-ended on a heavy traffic on Powerline Road in Haines City. They were at a stop sign and they just got rear-ended. We hired Brooks Law Group to represent us because the other party did not want to move forward. They were offering a settlement, like cash settlement, and obviously I said no. Great. I love Lanchi. Lanchi was a case manager. She's just outstanding. She moves quick from day one till the last minute. Everything was fast for us. Michael as well. Michael was the attorney, so Lanchi and Michael were constantly in communications. They're both excellent. I'm very grateful. Again, I think this is the first time that I see a case settled, I would say less than a month. So I'm very, very grateful. Everything was outstanding. Absolutely, yes, absolutely. I could not say anything much better, but obviously I would definitely recommend Brooks Law Group.